class? LKG class, the children are in the age group of 4 years to 5 years. And when the child coming from the playgroup to nursery and to LKG, child has done all these things 1 into 1 matrix puzzle, 2 into 2 matrix puzzle. So it becomes a foundation stone of the child in the LKG class. So when we introduce 3 pictures, it becomes a easy cakewalk for the child. But imagine if the child has not done that 2 stages in playgroup and nursery, the child will be completely burdensome. Child will be looking to this as a something which cannot be done. And at this point of time, child tries to come out of this. The child tries to avoid this particular problem solving game which has brought into the play. And from there, the lag begins. So my humble request to all the teachers and parents, do not jump into a higher level thinking without making the simpler things at the right age. So that's where we can build and make the child a fantastic problem solver in the future. Now what we need to do for this, we have got 3 into 3 puzzle when we are just taking LKG. So what we do, 3 pictures and 3 cards. That's why we call into 3 into 3 puzzle. Now we had 2 pictures, for example fish, lion, and we are introducing 1 more picture here. Any picture we have to introduce, and in our case we have introduced a pumpkin, so it becomes 3 pictures. And 3 pictures, each picture has to be cut once, so it will be 3 cuts. So total will be having 6 pieces. Now these 6 pieces of 3 pictures are given to the child, and child is being asked to pick up 1 by 1 piece, identify which part belongs to which picture, and make sure that you complete the picture by picking the appropriate and right piece of the picture. So this is a little complex game as compared to previous 2 classes, but if the child has completed the previous 2 segments or previous 2 levels, then it becomes very easy, and child will be looking forward to this game. Because as we know, each child will be interested, each child will be looking forward to have more challenge. But if the challenge is sequential, if the challenge is incremental, if suddenly we bring, imagine these previous 2 components have not been completed for a child in the nursery and playgroup, and suddenly in LKG we are introducing this, then child will be absolutely fumbled. Child will not look forward to have this game because it looks like a very, very difficult game for the child. So make sure if the child is having problem in LKG while you introduce this game, make sure that child has understood and have confidence in doing the previous 2 levels of such puzzles. So if not done, you can bring that nursery level puzzle or playgroup level puzzle, then child will be having interest and look forward to complete this. And once this is again, let me put it very, very clearly, 3 into 3 puzzle, whatever you can see on the screen, this is mandatory for a child in the LKG class. 3 into 3 puzzle, the child must able to solve it if we want to have our children coming to a certain level of cognitive skill. If this is having difficulty for the child to resolve, then it is really, really difficult for the child to look and resolve other problems in that systematic way. And if the child is able to complete this in the LKG class, then as we do, we have to increase the complexity of the game. Now for the LKG, this 3 picture is mandatory. Now 6 pieces, we have to go further, and what we need to do, we have to make the 3 pictures, and each picture has to be cut into 3 pieces each. So 3 pictures, each picture 3 pieces, we are having 9 pieces of pictures to be placed. Now you can see we have done that. 3 pictures, this lion is cut into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. The fish is cut into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and the pumpkin is cut into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have got 9 pieces. Now this total pieces is placed in front of the child who is in LKG to start with, and we are asking the child pick up the right piece and complete the picture. The child will start doing the way it is expected to be done, and parents and teachers, we must have sufficient patience to sit along with our child and enjoy the game along with the child. And if the child is able to do it, then we should be happy and ensure that our child's cognitive skill is above the average. Then we have to bring further challenge into the game. And if the child is having difficulty in resolving this particular problem or particular game, then we have to help the child picking up the right piece and complete the whole exercise. If the whole thing is not completed and left in between, believe me, child will be developing a sense of keeping the task incomplete. So that becomes a habit. So whatever we do, make sure the child completes that. I am just reiterating it again. The child must complete it. So that child develops that sense of completing a task in hand. And that's where the cognitive skill also helps the child developing that sense of understanding. Now, once the child is able to do, then we have to go one step further. 3 pictures remains as the 3 picture in the LKG standard, but we have to cut the picture into 4 pieces. Now, if the 3 pieces are completed, we have to make sure that each picture is cut into 4 pieces now. So 3 pictures, each picture into 4 pieces. So we'll be having total 12 pieces. Now you can imagine the complexity of the problem solving is increasing. So now instead of 9 pieces, child will be having now 12 pieces. You can see the lion picture is cut into 4 pieces. 1 piece is here, 1 piece is here, 1 piece is here, 1 piece is here. Now child has to pick up. If child is picking up this piece, then child must understand which missing part of the picture, which is the, this picture, this part belongs to which picture. If the child understands and the child is able to read the picture well, then child will be able to do that. So we are simultaneously taking care of many skills of the child when this game is in progress. Then child has to look other things of that particular picture. And if the child's picture reading is very strong, child understand the shape of the picture, understand it's a lion, understand the color, then child will be automatically picking up the texture, color and other features of that particular picture, so that the problem solving becomes very, very easy and it becomes very systematic. So 3 pictures, 4 pieces has to be done, and if the child is able to do it, we can make the 4 pieces to 5 pieces, so it becomes 15 pieces. Then if the child is able to do, we make it at 6, it becomes 18 pieces. So each level the game complexity is increasing. So either we'll enjoy the game along with the child, and at the same time we are ensuring child's cognitive skill is also increasing to a different level. So you keep on adding this complexity into game, but remember, don't increase the 3 pictures into 4 pictures. And that's what is the systematic way of doing things. And we have done that through different research that's coming from cognitive skill development of the child development. They can take benefit of that. So thank you very much for this session, and this session I hope will be very, very fruitful to all the preschool teachers and parents to develop the cognitive skill and problem solving skill of our child. And we look forward to have another session for skill development skills in a very, very systematic and structured way. So we are closing the session right now, and we'll be looking forward to welcome you and bring another session of skill development in a more systematic way. Thank you so much.